Hi, it's Lauren. I'm going to be presenting to you my Learning Differences presentation using Prezi. So this was a new experience. I've never used Prezi before, so it's just kind of a basic presentation. So we'll go ahead and get started. I used a couple of animations. As you can see, there was one there. I start with talking about what is it. So just going over like in task standard number 2, I just give a basic definition, and then I added in a couple of different graphics. As you can see, there was another animation. I give some more details about it. Then I go and talk about a main key component of in task standard number 2, and then I also give a link to this that you can click on and it goes to a website. And then going from there, we go to culture, and then I also give another link that you can, oh my gosh, that's not what I clicked on, that you can click on. And then from there I go to why it matters, and then it goes back to the full screen of my presentation. And I added in these lines just to give it more of like a, oh, that looks pretty, like it didn't have that before. And I changed like the font on some things, and I added the arrows, so just to make it look a little bit more decorative. So that's my presentation with Prezi.